Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, and today I'm going to show you how to delete an Instagram message. So this is just a message thread with another account that I have. You can see up until this point down here on the bottom, they've seen everything that I've sent. So I can go ahead and send another message here. And they haven't seen this one yet. If I want to unsend this or delete it before they ever get a chance to see it, I need to just hold down on it and tap unsend. That makes the message go away. The other person will probably get a notification that says someone has unsent a message, but I don't think the notification tells them who unsent it or what message was deleted or anything like that. It's just a generic notification. I can also do this with any other message here. Just delete that from the thread and it won't show up anymore on either person's messages. So yeah, there's how you do it. Just hold down on any chat bubble there and tap unsend. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Definitely check out the Instagram playlist that has hundreds of Instagram tutorials. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.